Back when I was 16, which is 4 years ago, I tried every possible thing I could. I played football, badminton, even when it comes to making money, I tried freelancing, affiliate marketing, digital products, print on demand, every single business model. And the problem was, every time I did not see results or did not see money coming into my account, I just moved on to the next business model because I thought maybe the model itself is defected and I cannot make money using this model, so let me try another model. So when I started affiliate marketing, I made my own blogging website, added few blogs, put links in those blogs where the users can click and then go to the affiliate link, which when they buy something, I get a commission. So I set it all up and I published the website. It was free at that time, so I didn't have to pay any upfront cost. And the website was up, it was running, no clicks, no leads. People read the blog, but they did not click or buy any of the products. So I made $0 there and I was like, okay, maybe affiliate marketing is not for me. So then I moved on to print on demand. So basically you give designs and they print it on t-shirts and they sell it. All I have to do is market my products and the designs that I have. I did that as well. I set up a store. I put out all the designs that I have. Obviously, I didn't know where to publish or like where people could actually see it. So there was not much engagement, not much leads. So people didn't even see the kind of designs that I have. So I moved on to the next business model. So that kept going on, and not just business models, even sports, even normal stuff. Like I tried card tricks, I tried dice stacking, I tried badminton, I also had a YouTube channel before this where I had almost 100 videos. And even that didn't get much growth or didn't get much engagement, so I stopped doing that as well. So you see, the main problem is that I start something and then I quit, start another thing and quit. So if I keep doing this with no matter how many tasks or how many skills or how many business models, I'm going to fail in every single one, and that is guaranteed. Because if I want results, I have to be good at something. And in order to be good at something, I have to stick with it at least a year. I know this sounds very simple and straightforward, but this concept took 4 years of my life to actually understand it. So the cheat code is, if you want to get really good at something, a skill or a subject, you have to do the same thing every single day. And when you do the same thing every single day, it'll start getting boring and your tasks feel very repetitive. And the cherry on top is that you'll not see results. In the first week, first month, maybe you'll not see results. And that's the worst part, because you have to keep doing the boring task and not see any results by doing them. So when you're in that process, you feel like, okay, maybe this thing is not for me. It's not meant for me. Or maybe I am not good enough. Or maybe that model itself is not good enough. Or maybe if I shift to something else, I might see good results there. And this case where you shift and get good results is very less likely to happen, because even after you move to something else, you have to stick with that for a long time to see results. So if you're already into something, let's say studying or startup or a business model, whatever it is, just stick to that for 365 days minimum. You don't get to judge, you don't get to overthink it. Just keep doing the same boring task for 365 days. Once you cross that threshold, then you're allowed to think, then you're allowed to shift, then you're allowed to see, okay, is it really for me? Usually after 365 days, you'll be crystal clear with if you want to actually go with it or quit, because you'll have enough experience and enough results with that particular task. So you'll be able to tell clearly if you want to continue it or you want to quit. And if you want a real life scenario for this, take this video as an example. I am talking to you. This video may be seen to 100 people. I have around 150 subscribers. On average, I get less than 1000 views for every single video, but I still show up and give you value at my best potential. So the one thing that I want you to take from this video is to stick with whatever you're doing. If you want to pivot, pivot now. You cannot do it later. You either start something or continue with whatever you're doing. Whatever it is, do it for the next 365 days. And I guarantee you, after 1 year, you will either see results or get experience. That's literally a win-win situation. So here's a mini challenge for you. I've emphasized this in many of my videos and I'm going to do it here as well because it's very important. Write down 3 goals that you want to accomplish after 1 year. Now every single day in your Notion tracker or your to-do list, wherever you write your tasks, do only those tasks that are going to get you closer to those top 3 goals. If they aren't, they're just noise and you can throw them out. So do this right now. Pause the video, take a notebook and a pen, write down your top 3 goals, make your to-do list, make sure all of your tasks are related to the top 3 goals. Then just stick to that for the next 365 days. Trust me, after a year, you're guaranteed to see results. And to make this more interesting, Go to the comments, write down today's date and your top 3 goals. After a year, you can come back to the same video and edit it and say that I did this for a year and this is the result. Also, if you want a head start to your journey, I provide you the ultimate 7-day reset plan where each day I take you through a particular kind of reset. So reset your mind, reset your body, reset your direction, reset your goals. And if you follow the plan, by the end of 7 days, I guarantee you that you're going to be a completely new person ready to ace all of your goals. The link is in the description and it's completely free, so you have no reason not to try it out. Also, if you want to know more about consistency and discipline, you can click here and watch this video. I talk in detail about consistency and how I actually manage my days, how I track my days, etc. So click here, watch this video, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.